So if you bought a house with a realtor in the past 3 months, or your realtor recommended you buying a house right now, I suggest you dump that realtor. They done put you in a bad position. So it's like 2008 when the market had peaked, and all those buyers that bought when the market had peaked, they are still underwater. Let me tell you, there's about 40% of homeowners that are still underwater right now, listening to a dumb realtor that put them in a bad investment situation. So right now we are in change and things are changing rapidly. So what should you be doing right now? I'm going to discuss it in this video, or what you should be doing to come out on top during inflation. And inflation is getting out of hand. Everything is going up, and it will continue to rise. Things will continue to rise, and you cannot outwork inflation. You're in this already, and it's going to be hard to get out. So let me tell you specific things that you need to do. So when I say that we are in change, is that we have landlords that are accepting Bitcoin right now for rent and things of that nature, grocery stores. We even heard that Fidelity, JP Morgan and Chase, and some of the big banks are incorporating Bitcoin in your investments. And this comes by no surprise, because we can see that food is going up, oil prices is going up, housing costs are going up, rents are going up. Everything seems to just be going up. And it's not because we have a food shortage. It's that we are heading into famine. We are heading into, there's possibly no food. That's why they had introduced plant-based food, a plant-based diet, beyond meats, fake meat, delivery services that deliver food to you, because food is going to go up so much that your dollars or whatever that you're making is not even going to matter. So it's going to be a switch into the currency. It's going to be a switch into the currency. Be warned, and you have to be prepared. You have to be prepared. No, your house is not an asset. An asset brings in money. Let me tell you this. An asset brings in money. Your house right now is a liability, and now if you bought it, your house at the top of the market, now you're taking on more liability on something that's overpriced. That's not a good investment. And if you're not rich, you just can't walk away from it and go into something else. So number one, you have to be looking at good investment places that have homes that are low cost. In these major cities, you might have to move an hour and a half out. There's certain type of homes that you should be looking for. In the price range, you have to know what to look for. You definitely have to be a professional when it comes to going to buy a home. Because if you're just buying a home, saying to your wife and to your family, we're going to buy a home that looks nice, that we want to live in, and you're not going at it as an investor, you're going to end up losing money in the long run. Because there's so many home buyers that are buying homes, and they're getting very, very disappointed with the homes they bought, which was overpriced. And now they have to take the bulk or some of their savings to put in the home to fix it up or renovate it. So we're definitely in a crazy situation. You have people that are renting right now, that are trying to get out any means necessary. They're trying to buy land. They're trying to escape this inflation, these high prices, and you're not going to be able to escape it. You cannot outwork this. You cannot outwork this. What you definitely have to do, one person chasing a bag is not good enough. You're going to definitely broaden your horizons to hire more people that can chase multiple bags and bring them back to you. If you're not set up in a situation like that or an agency like that, you're definitely losing out, because chasing the bag yourself is a non-cause. It doesn't even add up, because the more bag you chase, the harder you're gonna have to work. And then when you get to that bag is gonna be empty. I'm telling you right now, that bag is gonna be empty. So there's gonna be a lot more foreclosures coming onto the market, because people can't keep up with these housing costs. They can't keep up. And we haven't had the new numbers from property taxes. So this is how people buy homes. They buy homes, they say this is my budget. I have $1,500 to spend. So they add in homeowners insurance, property taxes, PMI, because most home buyers don't have that 20% to put down. All right, but they're not factoring in that anytime. They thinking this is a set fixed monthly payment, but at any time, homeowners insurance can go up. Property taxes can go up. Look at Texas. Their property taxes are already skyrocketed high. It already went up. So you can't say, oh, I have this fixed monthly payment. This is what I'm going to be paying, and thinking you're going to be paying this for a lifetime. And then the worst situation about it is that when you want to refinance and get more money out of your home, the rates are up. So it's leaving people in a very dire state for foreclosures to go up. So if you need my help getting out of your situation, you're about to face foreclosure, and you're like, I need to be in, or position myself in a better position so I won't go into foreclosure, so I'll come out on top, at least with some cash in your hand. You can contact me. My information's in the description below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you are a home buyer, contact me before you contact one of these dumb realtors, because they're going to put you in a home so they can get a commission check. Most realtors hustle their customers. I hustle the hustlers. And I'll tell you what that's about next video. It's Roe, North Carolina real estate. I'm out.